Hi, I'm Lauren Festa, and I'm reporting from the Bike Rack here at our very own Concord High School, where May is Bike Month, and Community Cycles is putting on a few really fun events that you should get involved with, because biking is good for you, it's good for our planet, and it's a lot of fun, and you should participate. If you are thinking of getting involved, ride your bike to school. This Friday, you can also get a free breakfast. We're here to talk about what you can do to get involved with National Bike Month. We have someone here to tell us a little bit about it.
Hi, I'm Miss Lundeen, and I live here at the Diploma Academy. And we are starting here in this school a new program called Community Cycles. It's going to have all different options for both students and community members. That if you ride your bike a total of 20 miles, you'll earn a reward breakfast. So get on your bike and earn something, but also stay in contact with us up here in the Diploma Academy. All right?
Thank you very much.
Sure.